Mathematics at university is a really exciting subject to study. I think students should choose Plymouth because of the world-class facilities, but mainly I think it is the people. You're going to be guided by people that really enjoy the subject. In a maths degree at Plymouth University, it will start off linking in very closely with what you studied at A-level. So you'll see very familiar topics like calculus, algebra, but very quickly these will move on to a much higher level and you'll start to see much more of the interconnections between the subjects. You'll also use and learn high-powered computing programming skills and also things like reasoning and proof. In the second year, we build upon that common platform and you start moving into areas that interest you from your own specialist background. Then in the final year, you have much more choice. Quantum theory, black holes, all the way through to partial differential equations to medical statistics. And really, it's just up to your imagination which way you want to go with a mathematical education.
Well, I really enjoy studying maths at Plymouth because the course suits my interests. The social life, everything is fantastic, and there are loads of facilities available.
Visualising mathematics is always a challenge, especially as you start going into higher dimensions and possibly complex dimensions. So we offer our students lots of resources to help them in this kind of visualisation. The students have access to first-class computer laboratories, industrial-class software. But sometimes you've really just got to immerse yourself into this vision. A lot of mathematics came from observations of the planets and the stars. And we have access to the immersive vision theatre, which helps them understand how the subject developed and how relevant it is for the world around us. We have a student room that allows students to interact with other students in other years. So there's very much a kind of a discussion environment of learning mathematics and exploring new mathematical ideas. So this is really to encourage the students to get into discussions, possibly arguments about what they're learning. But very close to them are going to be the lecturers, and we all like popping in there and kind of seeing what's happening, taking part in the conversations. It's really valued by all the students and by all the staff, as it allows us to kind of interact much better with the students.
The staff here are, in one word, excellent, really. They're all very approachable. We have this thing called open door policy, where you can see them any time you like.
All our lecturers love the subject with a passion, but they bring more than that. They are all actually inventing new mathematics and statistical methods. And this research will feed into the topics they teach, especially in the final years of the degree. In addition, our students will get an opportunity to do a project closely related to a member of staff, where they'll actually start to experience the buzz of doing research in mathematics.
Studying maths at Plymouth University it's not what you would expect from a maths course, really. You don't just get your pen and your paper, you do things which I wasn't expecting in the slightest. You can see maths in different ways in different areas and not just equations after equation with no application.
With a mathematics degree, we have graduates that have done jobs in the city, we've got people that become teachers, we've got weather presenters. So really, having a numeric degree like mathematics opens up vast areas for employment. And certainly our graduates are very employable.
I would highly recommend studying mathematics at Plymouth. The course is thoroughly enjoyable. Everything comes together to make one huge experience which you can't really miss.